Let's fill out the South Carolina Dirt Bike Bill of Sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. Today, we're walking you through what you'll need for a proper dirt bike bill of sale. So, let's get right into it. First up, you'll want to make sure the selling price is clearly listed on your bill of sale. This documents exactly what the buyer paid for the bike. Next, the seller needs to provide a notice of vehicle sold. This is an important step to protect yourself after the transaction is complete. Now, for the title. The seller will sign the title over to the buyer on the back of your title. So make sure you have that physical title ready to go. You'll also need to include the odometer reading at the time of sale. Just write down exactly what the odometer shows on the day you hand over the keys. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.